Hey guys, Brandon here with Crazy Vape Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing the Juggernaut mechanical mod and Kanger Aerotank Mega. And we also have a little bit of Mirage e-liquid by Insane e-liquid. Alright, so this is a 50-50 PG-VG blend. This is actually pretty good. It's a tropical fruity. I lean more towards the banana side of the flavor, but it's got a little bit more banana to it than anything. But it's actually really good. Creates plenty of vapor too. This is mainly for dripping. As you can see, they have a built-in little dripper to it. It's actually kind of thicker juice, so I like that. But yeah, it comes in a glass bottle. This is kind of a cheap little sticker. I wish that they would have had more of a presentable sticker on that. Something I'd like to keep on my display shelf, show people. But oh well. I'm still gonna keep it on the shelf just because it was a good e-liquid. Alright, so let's show you this. This is an aluminum mod. This is authentic. It runs kind of cheap. You can look it up online, at least cheap for a mechanical mod. But you can look it up online. This is number 188. I picked it up over at Rocky Mountain e-cigs. My only problem with this mod is that I got the white one, and the white one seems to get a little bit discolored. I wish they would have had a finish for at least this one. I don't know how the other ones are. It comes in green, gray, and I think brown is the next color. I'm not sure what other colors. Maybe blue, like a navy blue. I'm not sure if they have that. I'm pretty sure they do, though. I like this mod. It's really nice, but it does seem to get kind of discolored. It's more of a... It's paint, I think, but it's more of like a rubbery material to it. They have this Juggernaut logo engraved on here. Don't mind that. That's actually just a scratch. They have this little logo at the bottom with your authenticity code or whatever. But yeah, people say it's like a silver bullet looking mechanical mod, but I gotta say, over time, this used to be like this, aligned with the button, and then over time it just sort of went like that and moved. But oh well, it's not gonna do anything for the mod, but I wish it wouldn't have done that. This is aluminum, but I think it does have some kind of weird insulator in here. I'm not sure. It's kind of thick aluminum though. But as you can see, it's kind of thick but sharp grooves in there for your threading. There's about 4 grooves in here for your threading, and almost 3 right here, so not as much compared to other ones. I think this is a copper spring down in there, and this is a stainless steel connector, I'm sure. A black insulator with the little vent hole right there. Today we're going to be using a 2200 mAh eFest battery. Alright, goes in down like that. This side down. A little squeaky. Alright, let me show you this Kanger Aerotank Mega. K-Fun style drip tip, at least people say. You can't screw any kind of rotating heads down in there, anything like that. There is some kind of threading way down there at the bottom though, which I'm gonna have to check out at some point and figure out what that is for. You can unscrew this part right here and this big ring right here if you want to what is it, detach or unattach this stainless steel cover. I like the stainless steel, but I do like the glass one just because you can see how much e-liquid you have in there, and it looks kind of cool like that. But I keep this on here just because some people like this kind of a look, and I like this kind of a look too, so I just kind of did my own thing with this. 'Cause people usually use all the glass ones, but using this on a mech mod with the glass, I just, not really my thing. I wanted to put it on this. And on also my hammer too, which works good with that. But this airflow, let's talk about that. It's got little lines, as you can see right there, that get bigger and smaller. But this is, you rotate it clockwise, and there is a groove on the inside of it that will get bigger and bigger and bigger as you rotate it. As you rotate that little hole right there, it'll get bigger and bigger and bigger to open up your airflow in there, and it'll even show you by these grooves or these little engravings on the side. It does have little grip for that, but you can do that. The way you put your e-liquid in is you take off that whole airflow piece, not this ring right here, but everything right above that. You just untwist from there. Once it comes out, you'll see your coil in there, which is the normal coils that they use, and I think the Pro Tanks, the rest of the Aerotank series, and the EVOD 2s also. People really don't know that, but they use the same coil systems in the EVOD 2s as the new 0.8 ohm coils. They do not list that, but I was using the 0.8 ohm coil that I have in here currently inside of my EVOD 2 for quite a while, and it was working fine. Put multiple ones of those coils in there, and it worked fine. No gurgling, no flooding. People usually don't know that it goes in there, but it does. It fits. But yeah, I put the 0.8 ohm coil in there. Let's show you the connector. It's stainless steel also. I'm not sure if it's a removable pin in there, but we'll take a deeper look at this tank. See if y'all can see that. But yeah. Stainless steel, a little white insulator I can see inside of there. No, I'm not sure if that's removable. But I like to keep it at the biggest airflow setting with that coil in there. So let's show you how this vapes. Tastes good. I really do like it. The Mirage juice puts off a lot of vapor. Let's show you again. I love my coffee. Do hear a little bit of gurgling in there. I have had this problem one other time, and it took me a little bit to figure out, but what you want to do, you don't really want to blow through the air hole. I mean, you do just slightly, but not too much, but you want to just kind of lean it down just to make sure that all that extra stuff is coming out naturally almost. But you do want to give a slight blow into the little air hole right there. And eventually that liquid will just come out. Yep, you see a little bit of e-liquid on the very inside there. It'll just come out, and I usually just, drop my drip tip. I usually just get my shirt, on my pants and just kind of tap it out. You can see it all builds up there in the corners. And take a corner of my shirt, or little, I don't know, what is it, paper towel, and wipe that clean out of there. And we're back in action. Hopefully that fixes it right now. Now you can see the full thickness of the clouds. You can take a lung hit. A lot of vapor. I'm sitting in a car right now. You can do a mouth hit, mouth to lung, or just straight lung hit. Not too long though, or you will get a kind of dry flavor to it. But I'll show you a quick lung hit. I like to open up the corner of my mouth just to kind of give it a little bit more of an air flow to it. Woof. Alright, take a drink real quick. Shouldn't be doing that with a 12 Nick. It really does burn. But, that is a good looking mod too. Sad to say that moved a little bit, but oh well, people aren't really gonna say anything about that. It's not too big of a deal. But it is kind of cool that it's kind of an all-white big mod. You don't really see that often. Alrighty, well, this has been a Kray-Z Vape Reviews. Thank you for joining me. You can follow me on my Facebook page. It is Brandon Besco. You will see it, and it will have my Kray-Z Vape stuff up. I might have an old Facebook from when I was a kid or whatever. But, yeah, get the one that has everything Kray-Z Vape on it. You'll see everything vape down the list. I hope you do follow me on there. I don't really add people. I add close people. But, I will follow you back if you have your own pages and stuff like that. And you can also, if you are a big time internet seller of these, I might have to check out your site then, or like big seller of drip mods, anything like that too. I do want to do reviews on those. I want to get into those, start a little bit of cloud chasing. I do have a couple drip mods, but yeah, I will have a review coming up soon of a new drip mod set that I will be getting, a whole set and everything I need to officially start showing you guys new coil builds and all that. I do know how to do a lot of coil builds. I just don't have the supplies right now, but I will be going to get those supplies soon to be coming out with a new review for you guys for that. But yeah, follow me on Facebook, follow me on my YouTube channel. I will be having a website coming out soon, somewhere along the lines of KrayZVapeReviews.com or something like that. But thank you. This has been a Kray-Z Vape Reviews. I'm Brandon.